This is room 1001 at the Doubletree, Detroit, Fort Shelby. So this is a one-bedroom suite. You walk in and you have a sitting chair, couch, bed, I think is in it, maybe coffee table. Let's see. Yep, it's a pull-out bed. And a little coffee service area. And then a TV with a refrigerator. And then a microwave as well in here. So then you go around the corner and then you are in the bathroom. It's a very long, big bathroom. So hair dryer, soaps. Oh, there's actually toothpaste and shoe shine and a travel wipe. Extra towels. And then a big bathtub with a Speakman shower head and toilet. So then there's also a full-length mirror at the end there. And in the bedroom, there is, I don't know how to turn the lights on. So a king bed. There are outlets next to the bed. We've got a desk over here with a lamp with more outlets. Mirror, another TV in the bedroom, and then a big closet, extra bedding probably for the pull-out, a safe, iron and ironing board, and then we do have some views from the bedroom. I need to open the lights. So we're just basically looking at downtown Detroit a little bit, the transit center,